Hello guys, my name is Yugan and welcome back to my video. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. Okay then, let's go ahead. First, you have to download the ISO file. The link is given in the description. Download is about the size of 5.18 GB. Then you have to download a program named Rufus. Make sure you download the latest version and then run as administrator. Click on yes. Okay, select the disk image which you have downloaded. Okay, then make this as a MBR format and then click on start. I'll just skip this process. My pen drive has finally been ready. You can check. Okay, now I have given this reg files link. Download it, please download it, and then you have to copy this file. Copy it, Ctrl C, and then paste it in the pen drive. In the pen drive which you have downloaded the Windows disk image. Okay, then I'll just refresh it once. Okay, now close your window, close all your windows, and then you have to shut down your PC. I'll just shut down my PC and I'll come back in my phone. Okay, now I'm shutting down my PC. I'll just shut it down. I'm back on my phone. I'll just pause this process. Okay, my PC is shut down. Okay, now you have to insert the pen drive which you have created, the bootable pen drive. I'll just insert it. I'm gonna insert it. I inserted the pen drive and I'm gonna on the PC. Okay, then you have to go to your boot menu. In my case, it's F9, so I'm gonna press F9. Your mouse won't work over here. You have to do it using keys. Select your pen drive and click on enter. My pen drive is HP, so I'm gonna click on that. Okay, I'm gonna press any key. You can press any key to boot using pen drive. This is gonna take a long time, so I'm gonna pause this. As you can see, it's been booting from the pen drive now. Okay, once you boot, the interface will look like this. In here you can choose any language. Suppose I'm gonna choose English India. I'm just gonna type English. ENGLISH, English space it's gonna be a little tricky, so please, I don't like to waste your time. I'll just pause the video. Okay, I chose all my languages. Then I'll just click on next and click on install now. The setup will be starting. Now, if you have a product key, you can type, but I don't have. So I'll just click on I don't have product key. I'll choose the edition of Windows 11 Pro, but you can choose any of this. Yeah, and then hit on next. And this will give this warning: this PC currently cannot run Windows 11. If you want, you can try again, but it won't work. Then you have to press Shift F10, and then CMD will appear like this, and you have to type Notepad and click on Enter, and you have to go to File and Open. You have to search your pen drive in which you had created, and then you have to click on All Files, and here's your bypass which I had given in the description. So you have to right click and click on Merge, and you have to click on Yes, and then OK, and then you can open this and then close it. Then you have to go back and click on Next. Okay, finally our PC can be in our PC the Windows 11 can be installed. Select the drive and click on Next. I have already installed by using this process, so I don't need to install it again. Okay, bye. Let's see what if you can come in our future videos. Bye.